Hello. This is our final lesson of this course, and let's start it from the questions. Do you have any questions regarding the previous lessons? I'll try to help you because today's lesson will be very short because there is only little information is left to learn. If you have some questions, just write question in the chat. Okay, okay. So, anyway, prepare a list of questions and you can ask all those questions in the main chat. So everyone will be able to read the answers. Okay, okay, so let's continue. I remind you that on the previous lesson, we got through the project named Start, and the final result of this project was this spreadsheet named Kinofilms Posting, and here you should have thousands of prepared posts, thousands, because we got 1,000, about 1,000 pages, and on each page we found about 20 trailers, so there should be about 20,000 uh, prepared posts. Okay, so now our goal is to publish all these posts to forums, yeah, or other places you want to publish. You can publish the same post to many different forums at once. Yeah, so you don't need to prepare a post once again for some different forum. Yes, you should do that. You should do that if you are working with many accounts on the same forum because forums moderators of the forum usually looking for the like interface of this post, how you organized this post. Yeah, so the appearance of this post, they are looking for they are looking for the patterns, yeah, and they are trying to find multi accounts and to delete them. So that's why I don't recommend to use multi-accounts. But anyway, if you do that, try to make each account different by using different view of your post by changing uh, make a copy from here, paste to here, use a different file hosting. On each forum, on one forum you can use K2S, Keep2Share. On next account on the same forum you can use FileBoom. On the next account you can use Publish to Me. It's all those file sharing services are connected to your money platform account and test files. There are 4 file sharing services that will be connected to your moneyplatform.biz partners account. So, and one more thing, you have to change in that case your file hosting for images. So for this example, we used fastpeak.ru, but for different accounts, you have to use different file hostings. And also I would recommend you to change also for different forums this file hosting, just to be like safe. Yeah, do not lose all the accounts you have on that forums. So in this case, if you want to prepare different posts, uh, like different organization, different view of the same post for different forums, you do need different projects. Start 3, start 4, and so on, for example. Uh, how can we cover shots preview and previews to get? It's actually as the cover, if I understood you correctly, so the cover, if you parsed the cover from the source website, it should be over here. So you parse it the title, you parse it the cast, yeah, actors, and some description, for example. And on the same page, you just have to add extra block and parse there a cover, so image as a file, yeah, like JPEG file, and then you just upload it to your image hosting and add here another row with the cover, and that's it. Cover making, if you want to create cover, you just need to explore settings of this program. Maybe you will find there appropriate settings for creating a thumbnail that will be like looks like a cover, if you understood it correctly. So let's continue. So you have this long spreadsheet with prepared posts. All those posts are in BB code, so they are prepared for forums. If you will be publishing on your own blog or your own website, you don't need BB code there. All you need just the pure text. You don't need even HTML, just pure text without all these brackets, URL, and so on. Or use HTML. If it depends on the like CMS that you are working with, like WordPress, Joomla, or maybe some online black services, and so on. Okay, so next template, next project that we'll use here is named posting. You also have this template in your files. Okay, so if you're using WordPress, you don't need BB code. Just paste there a pure text, and that's it. So you also have posting 3 or just posting template in your files that I gave you. So let's take a look on this. First action, load profile. After you load profile, you have to get a list of files in the folder named topics. Let's take a look on that folder named topics. Here's this folder on your computer. In this template, we go this way, but you can do all the same using database, and I will show you both. So if you're going through the same template using txt files, so in this case, in the folder topics, you should create different txt files with the name of database, actually with the spreadsheets that you will be using. And in this txt file, you can put a direct link to forum. Not just the forum, but to direct the exact topic, your own topic, that you are going to publish this post to. Okay, so there may be a lot of topics over there, or just one topic for one forum. It all depends on you. So just put here all that you need, all the links, and save this file. And we'll be copying that information from txt file. You can organize all the same, creating just another spreadsheet named topics, and put here the same link to your topic, and you can copy that using database connection in ZennoPoster. It's all the same. It's all working the same way. The result will be the same, just the two different ways. And here you can learn how to work with txt files. I'll show you. I'll show you how to log in. It's all will be in this project. So next action after we read this file, so we put in the list topics. So we read all the files, and we actually read a list of files here. Drop down menu, get a list of files, path to the folder, and we put it to the list named topics. Here is the list topics. Let's take a look. Here's the duplication actually, because there was actually one row, but I ran it twice. So in this case, I have two files, two records over here. But as you see, I have only one file here. So in your case, you'll have also only one record. Okay, so now we have in the list named topics some list of files. There may be many different txt files with different names. Different name is like different name of your spreadsheet. And in that txt file may be many links to different topics. Okay, I think it's clear. Next action, we get first row from the list topics and put it to the variable named topic. When this list will be finished, over here it's like a loop, as you see arrow goes this our back. Yeah? After it's done, with this red arrow, we get back to this action, and we are trying to get a new row. Yeah, and if we like face the end of this rows, we parsed all the txt files in our folder. We parsed all the links to our topics. We will get an error here. We save and we finish. So it's like a loop. Okay, so how it's organized? Let's execute this action. So now we have in the variable name topic the path to the file, txt file on our computer. Txt file with a list of links to topics. Now we just read this file. How? We just take the action, choose the action, take the text, take text, and here is the path to the file, this path. So we put the path using variable and put all the text in that file in the variable topic link. Let's do this. Let's see what we got. So topic link, it's looked like this. Yeah. So we have this link and this like redundant information, because it's like for like just to show you, for example. In your case, there will be real links. So next, we will use regular expressions to find the exact link in that list of links. Yeah. So we have this link, yeah, and we have, for example, this link, and so on. And we have to find links. We use regular expression, and we're going to find everything that starts from HTTPS, and we'll put it on the variable dolls topic. Here we choose regular expression and source that we are working with, topic link, variable topic link. The result will be in dolls topic. Let's execute it and let's see how dolls topic looks like. Here we are. So we parsed using that regular expression this link from this list. Okay, so now we have a link. Actually, I remind you, all these actions you can organize like selecting posts from this spreadsheet. Maybe it will be even easier for you to execute. So we have to pass the name of database, because in our variation, how we organized our txt file, we put the name of the file the same as we have the name of our spreadsheet database. So if we parse the name of the txt file, we will understand what spreadsheet we are going to work with. So let's do this. And now we have, so we parse variable name topic. Topic, I remind you, it's just a path to our txt file, and we use regular expression to get from that path only name of our spreadsheet, and we put it on the variable bd name. Okay, so now we have variable bd name. Let's find it. Bd name, Kinofilms posting. Okay. So we now have everything for selecting our post. We choose to select working with this, check the connection, localhost root Kinofilms, text connection, okay. And here we run an SQL command. We're going to select from, select a column named post from spreadsheet with the name bd name. As I remind you, we just found this name using bd name variable in the title of txt file. Okay, limit 1 means we will parse only one row. Okay, and we put it in the variable post text. So let's do this. And now we have post text, variable named post text. Now we have this, all this BB code prepared post. Now we have it in our variable post text. Next action, we have to select this ID of this row. It's like not this row, this row. In order to delete it, you can like not delete it, leave it for the future, or create a duplication of the spreadsheet. You can like create Kinofilms post in 1 and Kinofilms post in 2. So Kinofilms post in 1 will be like a temporary spreadsheet, and you are going to delete each row from the spreadsheet after taking it and publishing it. And the duplication of this spreadsheet Kinofilms 2, you will have prepared posts for your future. I would that in order to save your time if you decide to publish on some new forums the same information. So here is just organized how it's look like right here, and we are gonna delete each row after taking it from our spreadsheet in database. So that's why we are going to parse using SQL command the ID of that row, put it in the variable ID del, and using next command, it's also SQL query, we test connection, Kinofilms, okay. And here is the SQL command delete from spreadsheet beta name where ID equals our ID del. ID del, I remind you, here ID del 1. So after I execute this command, this row will disappear. Let's do this. Yeah, let's refresh. Yeah, so and as you notice, we do not have any more ID number 1. So our spreadsheet starts from ID number 2, and this is okay. So everything works fine. Next action, we're gonna go to our topic. Choose this action, click to the link, put here the URL of our topic, and let's go to this forum. So this is just a forum, for example. Yeah, you'll have here different forums. It's all also in Russia, sorry for that, but it also actually it doesn't mean at all, because anyway the process of logging in to this forum will be like different for different forums, because there are different buttons, different like interface, everything will be different in each forum, so you will need to create different authorization process for different forums from scratch. But we'll just go through the authorization quickly. So next action is here. We have to find whether we are logged in. How we can do this? We have to parse the text, all the text right here. All these text, all that we can copy as a text from this page, we can parse choosing like this action, take text, and we are gonna find in this text word registration. If we will find this word registration, we are not logged in right now. So we already learned how to create authorization block in the second lesson. So I will not explain you very deeply. Everything you need to know here, this block is responsible for authorization. Now I am logged in because I see here my login, like name of the user, and also I don't see here word registration, so I can log out. I can go to my profile and I can go to the main page. So now I am logged in. So let's check that. I'm trying to find the word registration, and we put it in the result variable number 1. And in the next logic block, we are going to compare variable number 1 that should have word registration with the emptiness. Yeah. And if it's not equal, that means we do not have this word and we are logged in and we don't need to log in. So let's check that. Yeah, we got error because it's equals. Yeah, so we do not have registration word on this page. So next action is here. But if you are not logged in, you should go to this arrow, click to the button log in, enter your email, password. It's like here is like different login process using social networks. As you see on this preview, there are buttons of social networks over here. Yeah. And you should click on that button and there pop-up appears. So here's just a different way of logging into this exact forum. So you don't need this block of actions. You have to create your own block from scratch and then clicking on the button log in. After that, we get back to our topic once again, trying to parse once again all the text. We will not find word registration, and we get to this action actually that allows us to publish. So here we see a button to reply. You have to find in the topic button some like create post or new post or something like that, and click on that. Let's do this. So after we click, we see here a form for creating a new post, and here is just actions to paste all the text right. So let's take like on the settings, we put variable post text. As you remember, here we have all the BB code prepared. We put it to the value, not like in this constructor of actions. And we choose the set value, and we put here, we can put here a variable, all this variable, copy, here paste, and we have to set the value of this field, of this form, as our variable post text and add to the project, and here we get this action. Okay, so I think it's clear, and I will not do this because it's like going really long time, because it will be like simulating typing on keyboard all the text, and it will take time now. And next is CAPTCHA. So as you see here is CAPTCHA, so we have to resolve it. And also this all the same. So we just add this action CAPTCHA resolving. We choose this like it's service that you bought for resolving CAPTCHA. Yeah, you should have logged in. You should connect this. You should connect over here in the start, settings, and CAPTCHA. Yeah, and here are many CAPTCHA resolving services. You have to choose one, put here login, password, some extra parameters if needed, add some money on your account there, and just add here action resolving CAPTCHA. And here is just settings resolve the CAPTCHA in this tab. Yeah. and auto submit. So this checkbox will be like clicked automatically. And we put here the result in variable 0. It's like a temporary variable. You don't need it. You won't need it in the future. And next we click on the button. Actually, here's the add your post, yeah, or you can read it like publish post and something like that. So you click on that button, add new post, publish post, and that's it. That's end of the loop. Here we just wait for a couple of seconds and we get back this action and we are trying to get new topic for publishing of the same post. And we go on the circle until we get final txt file over here, and we publish all the topics we want to publish this post. And after we finish, we got an error because list of topics will be empty. We save profile and we finish. Do you have any questions regarding this project? Just write them. Okay. So in this case, I want to say that we finished all the education process, all the course is finished because we got the final destination point. We published our link, our post on all the forums, all the places, all the blogs we need. And for that purposes, you will need all those projects named start, posting, thumbs, uploader, and that's it. You can copy that templates, these projects, and just edit them. Do not try to like do all this stuff from scratch. Just use the information I already prepared for you. You can just edit all those templates for your source website interface, for your destination forum interface, change the login process, and change some maybe settings of your spreadsheet database connection, and that's it. Yeah, I'm listening to your question. Okay. If I post like 24, I should have posted for um, posting file. Now you can just put everything you need, all the forums in txt files. So you can create here, for example, for example, here will be like a source with a different website. For example, I will write website 2, yeah, some different website. For example, if you parsed there, and here should be some different links. Or if you want to publish information from the spreadsheet kinofilms posting to some different forums, just as I said, you copy this link, not copy, just create new link, to some another forum. Another forum.com. Okay, so here will be another forum link to the topic. As for the login, yeah, I guess you're right. If you use topics from different forums, yeah, you'll have different login process. Yeah. So for each forum, in this case, you have to create a different posting project, posting phrase, or just name it posting and name of your designated forum, just for your convenience to understand what forum this template is working with. Okay, so I think it's clear. So congratulations, thank you, and see you. If you have any questions, you can ask them in our chat. Bye.